Hi, I'm Alex from VigilLink. I'm going to walk you through really quickly over our control system. It's called VigilLynx Control. It's a platform-independent modular control system that we've developed in-house, and we're launching it at this InfoComm 2026. So the system is platform-independent, and it can be operated from multiple devices. This is our own screen. It can be in the office. It can be controlled from a phone, from an iPad, or it can also be controlled via the PC. This is our master controller that controls the whole system, and right now the system controls through SDVOE, AVP diagnostics. And here really quick, this is where, here we'll show you really quick, for example, this is a multi-view controller. So we can adjust rooms here. Here, let's do this right here. So this is all control here. We have also just full screen control. So that's our control system that's being launched. Okay.